let's reverse a word in Google Sheets. We can, of course, type this out, but we can do this with a formula. So what we need first is to figure out how many letters is in this word, A2, because we're going to put it into a sequence where we have exactly that many rows, we have one column, and we're starting at the last letter. And then we're going to go -1 to go in reverse. And now this gets us exactly the number of letters in the word, but it's an array that's going from high to low. We're going to wrap this with A2 mid. We're going to start at this exact sequence, and the extract length is 1. And if we put a parentheses at the end, you'll see we have a G, which seems wrong, right? That's just the last letter of the word. We want all the letters of the word, but in reverse order. What we need to do is wrap this with array formula. And if we wrap it with array formula, we're getting pretty close. That's something in reverse, but they're not all together. So let's just join with no delimiter this entire thing, and we have our word in reverse. And now we can copy and paste this and see these two words are the same. That's interesting, because now we can say, are these a palindrome? So we can say if A2 is equal to this, then if the value is true, we'll say palindrome. And if not, we'll just say nope. And now we found a palindrome. Pretty cool. Hope you enjoy. Subscribe here to Better Sheets to get more out of your Google Sheets.